One look, the heat is rising.
First of all, happy Holi everyone, and now coming to the point, this is the Poco M3 smartphone, a new budget level smartphone from Poco. So nowadays it's quite popular, and today we are going to review this Poco M3 smartphone, and we will see that if really it's a budget beast or just another overhyped product from Poco. So I am Arko Prabhu, you are watching Next Tech. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Cheers. Subscribe our channel Next Tech for more quality tech videos and press the bell icon and press all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So first of all, let's talk about the specs and pricing. So here are some quick specs of the smartphone, and it's priced at 10,990. So if you want to know more about the specifications and if you want to watch the unboxing, then I have already uploaded it on my channel Next Tech, so please watch the video, and I am providing the link on the I button, so it will show here, so watch that after this. Now let's talk about the build quality of this Poco M3. So it has a plastic back, but it feels quite leathery, and the grip of the smartphone is also very good. The only annoying thing is this black glossy bar over there and the huge Poco branding, so it's quite annoying really. And you can hide the Poco branding by applying a black tape on this like TechWiser, or just like me, just putting my own YouTube channel logo on the Poco branding, because when I'm using the phone outdoor, like why should I promote Poco brand? I should promote my own YouTube channel. I will get more subscribers, more views from that. Jokes apart, the build quality of this smartphone is decent despite having a plastic back. So I really liked the leathery finish, and the build quality is decent. So this Poco M3 has 6.5-inch display with IPS LCD panel and 1080p resolution, so it's quite good. The viewing experience is quite good, and media consumption on this device is very good. Now let me play one of my YouTube video to judge the display quality. At first, let me give you the physical overview of Boat Rockers 550, which is priced at 2000 INR. This is over-the-ear headphone with pretty big ear cups made out of good quality of plastic, and the surprisingly, this Poco M3 has stereo speakers over there, so it's quite good for a budget smartphone, having two speakers and the stereo effect. So I really like the audio quality, and now let me play a NCS music to let you know that how is its stereo speaker quality.
We chase the leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
So this smartphone has Snapdragon 662 processor and Adreno 610 GPU, so this is quite good for a budget range smartphone, and it handles day-to-day tasks quite easily. But I had faced some stutters and lags on day-to-day usage, but that is due to the software, that is MIUI 12, and we will discuss about that in the later part of the video, so please go through the whole video. Now let's play some games on this Poco M3 smartphone, and let's see how it performs in gaming. So today I have tested just Call of Duty and Subway Surfer on this one. So first I'm playing Subway Surfers, and it's running quite smooth and without any lag. And now I am playing Call of Duty, and I am playing it on the highest settings available on this phone, and I can see sometimes there are some lags, but overall it's playable and the gameplay is quite decent. Now let's quickly check the temperature after gaming, and the front part is nearly 43 degrees centigrade and the back part is 44 degrees centigrade. And I will make a dedicated gaming review video on this Poco M3, so stay tuned on Next Tech. So this Poco M3 has 6 gigs of RAM, but the RAM management is very poor on this one. It can handle up to 3 to 4 apps, and it's quite aggressive on the RAM management section. Now coming to the storage department, so it has two variants, one with 64 gigs and one with 128 gigs. My unit has 64 GB storage, so After using 1 month as my primary smartphone, I have 32GB free out of the 64GB of internal storage. Now coming to the camera section, so it has 48 megapixel of main primary camera with 2 megapixel of macro and 2 megapixel of depth camera, and front it has 8 megapixel of selfie camera. But despite having a good hardware, the software, the stock camera is clearly not good. It captures average pictures on daylight, but in low light situation it captures lots of grains and noises, so the camera quality is not good. And the stock camera selfie from this phone will make you look like a K-pop hero, and personally I don't like that. I like natural pictures. But then after installing Gcam, camera became one of the most important and the most highlighting feature of this smartphone, and Gcam does the magic. And if you still have not watched the Gcam video on my channel, so its link is given on the I button, just watch the video. Gcam does the magic. Gcam versus stock cam, just watch the video, and Gcam is very good. So it has a monster 6000 mAh of battery, and it lasts about 2.5 days for casual and moderate users, and if you are a heavy user, still it will last you 1.5 days. So battery backup is very good on this one. So now coming to the call quality of this Poco M3, the primary purpose of any mobile phone. So it has a very good call quality. The earpiece is very good. The microphone is also good, and the carrier aggregation has been done very well on this one. So the call quality is decent. Now coming to the security and unlock section of this one. So it has a side mounted fingerprint scanner, and it does also have a face unlock over there, so both works quite well. The fingerprint scanner is also good, responsive, and the face unlock is also quite fast. So security is quite good on this one. The fingerprint scanner and the face unlock both works quite well. Now let's talk about the software in this Poco M3. So it's currently running on Android 10 and MIUI 12 and MIUI 12. The worst thing about this is the annoying ads. Here on Poco you don't get the full screen annoying ads, the dangerous and creepy ads, but you will get the notification ads, and you will also get lots of pre-installed bloatware, including some like Get apps and MI Pay, which are not uninstallable. That's very bad. So now let's talk about something different, not only about the smartphone but also about this brand. So Poco is constantly launching rebranded phones in India, and Poco M3 is not an exception. It's a rebranded version of Redmi 9 Power. So you get both the phones, like the Poco M3, the Redmi 9 Power, everything is same, just the brands are different. But Redmi 9 Power is not overhyped, this one is overhyped. So now it's time for pros and cons, and first of all I'll start with the pros. So the first pro is the build quality. It's a plastic bag, but the leathery finish is very good. The build quality is good. Now the second pro is the display quality. It's also quite good. It's having a 6.5-inch display with full HD panel, and the viewing experience is very good. And the third thing is the weight balance. So it has a monster 6000 mAh battery, but despite having that battery, the weight management on this one has been done quite well. So the fourth pro is the stereo speaker on this one. It's a budget smartphone still having a stereo speaker, and it's very good. The next one is the performance, that is the processor of this one. Snapdragon 662 is quite good for budget level smartphones, so performance of this one is good, decent. So next pro is battery. It has a big battery, 6000 mAh, and as I said, it's very good. And the last pro of the smartphone is camera, not the stock one. The Gcam is very good. After installing Gcam, camera of the smartphone became very good, and you can click very good quality image from this Poco M3. So camera is one of its pro. Now we will discuss about the cons of this smartphone, and there is one major negative point between all these beautiful positive point, because there is always an imposter among us. Ha ha ha. And that imposter here is MIUI 12. So it's annoying, like the ads, you don't get the full screen ads as I said earlier, but you still get the notification ads and lot of pre-installed bloatware. The MIUI 12 is not also optimized for this phone, because I have noticed some stutters and lags on day-to-day usage. So MIUI 12 is a big con of this smartphone. The second con is the RAM management. As I said, it's quite aggressive. It can't handle more than 3 to 4 apps despite having the 6 GB of RAM, so it's not good. And the third con is the Poco rebranding. So that's not just the con of the smartphone, the con of this whole brand. It's launching constantly the rebranded products. So this Poco M3 is rebranded from Redmi 9 Power, and that's why it's one of its con. Now coming to the verdict, that should you buy this smartphone? So this smartphone has a good build quality, good display, good call quality, good performance, good speakers, and after installing Gcam also good camera. But the only major con is the MIUI, the software, and RAM management is not good on this one. Just leaving the two cons aside, it has many positive points, and those are enough to buy a budget smartphone, and it's offering great value for money in this 10,000 rupees price bracket. It's quite good, so you can buy this. Clearly you can buy this, just remember that RAM management issue and that optimization software problem. Otherwise everything is good on this one. So that's it for today guys, and do let me know in the comment section that what do you think about the Poco M3 smartphone. And hope you like the video, then press the like button and share this video as much as possible because I need your support, and subscribe our channel NEX TECH because quality matters, and press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Thank you for supporting me, and stay tuned. We will meet soon. Bye bye.